ne tenten no onru ni pabasa nti on de ye kana semeye na mo de montena ho na ye nkotena so dem ye kotena so dem wiya ne asa ba betena abonte abedi bone na me sisa Assemblies of God so fo no mpodie na Assemblies of God ntimi ntu ne sen ana sa mu leader no so etimu ntimi nyina di o kuma so ne nemu ase o ana munim me pa se me kwasa so me ka bibia nka mejai ka meja so le ne because me the moment me hu say akwa ye me leader no kire say me miti madwena bofom na akwa ye me leader
abuzo from mamunya na kwa ba de bagana and same TV so no more so like video the best subscribe to the channel and turn on notification send be next time videos of this nature about so sabit me akabi now so watch our comment section dem I say the munya me from Mr. President na said the die from Mr. President and one assembly so mo na from pima if by chance they offer na person contribute to your work the person boy adwuma ya ne ade a the patron number na was you can reach out to you yes abeka ne beda was so na me so saka video na ka se adudi nya metiase me nka se pi no me ko video me ko ba stay tuned no me ko ba bia me ba na discuss issues bi yon ko mesisi
ne tenten no onru ni pabasa nti on de ye kana semeye na mo de montena ho na ye nkotena so dem ye kotena so dem wiya ne asa ba betena abonte abedi bone na me sisa Assemblies of God so fo no mpodie na Assemblies of God ntimi ntu ne sen ana sa mu leader no so etimu ntimi nyina di o kuma so ne nemu ase o ana munim me pa se me kwasa so me ka bibia nka mejai ka meja so le ne because me the moment me hu say akwa ye me leader no kire say me miti madwena bofom na akwa ye me leader na mda so di nachi hypocrite ye dipe mo di enko na ye ne de enya sa so amekwa so le kwan kam to collection me yesa kwahwe ni pankuna otesa obi a wafa nyame adwuma yeso ngo obi fa nyame adwuma wafa adwuma pa mo dem wa hyehyɛ politics mo sa dem mo hyehyɛ politics na betena e be di matemo ye be mo hu se mo agimi wo ye osofo na wa be hyehyɛ politics mu na won ka no kora na be hypocrite me sere okode se eye na sole panyi okode fa kyeme but wa sole panyi no eye me ya wonti na mentimi ndi natem kama didi natem go so eye jimisem no omu nyina mo de omo ho akohye mu omo ye oti ase enye fine obi ba ye ka obi due de ba ye nka na me nsa ne mra before say me kwasam George so no ta kwa bi oti kumase a say friend Ashanti regional minister no o se dey toloku ni ne ye nyina beti toloku wo katrema asa ye friends green carpet wo katrema de wanum asa ya hye de bunso aguanum say kasa toloku ni beti ugu emabuna ni mu ase na nya ndisi ne bekwa kwafa kwasempa ni we ede na besi Ashanti region so ye minister we jimi we mo hwe minister pa hwe kind of lifestyle we portray o social media na wo be ya TikToker na so wo be chia fucking boy bia so no so be do atem because me we bia wa bra ba wa bo no me ntimi mo bi duro ho but jimi a wo do ho wa malo ho of form sentimi metima cassette because we ye nipa hunu hwe wa no krante ye to do green lebeti wo beti to loku na kotibi sa akwala bia 3 years afa na ya wo na ye titi no kuraba so oh na akuya Sam George de chese me who kind of ways and ne pass me timi church or sentence and come church bi amakwe ya na ye ono say me teacher ni bi o hwe anim sa say o ka say wonkwa na ya wagimi wo ho o ga say wonkwa na wagimi Sam George obi agimi chen o but ye de te ye nhye dem ye bi ye gimi so sa but wo no what should that person wo kire say wagimi but yenka ento de ba bonten say yenka na hu say oh me gimi level na duru 100 ujimi level no enam te enenka nam 30 basis de wo ye no fro ba ma na edu 100%. What is social media obi ko kan asema no wa yet is Ashanti region minister na me kan asem sisi obi ko kan asema no wa ba be twero no ba reply na wa gimi ana minister nti won ti ase and nti na won ti me like how na say ni di minister o kroma dia say ni minister for minister di animonyam bi animo because me say minister minister ni a na me presenti obi we di akere say we minister kurasi need to say obi na dwene wo formal to the sense say onim say high social media so ndi asem na me kan okra me jaika why ye dey am nkrofo bu afu up videos upon videos and some fu an wakeka wa abontin se ne wo si didi akufo ado atem eni niema wo kan ye na wutimi gira bontin me say me Sam George won eduru ba bi me ye nyina be support Sam George say oh yeah adwuma not knowing say na wo for famfuli nipa ono kwase asa no kwase asa no baby me gina me hwe me chikura na because asa na me pese me coming
kwase I don't blame her, I blame the NDC kwase afo NDC impending form of Jimmy NDC impending form muni munyansa you are the ones I blame. Now NDC in tears yes amunya special. I'll be honest here. I mean for me one example. Say impending form be me friend mu amon fa no. Me here wo hwe o. Anabisi o. Me nuaba anabisi o. Me ka say me nuaba because me maame firstborn ewo 54 years ono ye pe enti wo ye me nuaba pani 2 years ago na ye campaign na me no kasa me twa interview wa how maame me twa interview me no na me ne wo ntam ye fine me ba Ghana na ye hia kama me ni nkoto be hia kama ye hia wo ye bisa osika ye bisa aka pre ma this ready a me de to wanim na eye ba ko pe ene say enye me last born ye last born me nua ba ketua odi machi oko private nursing owie school na adwuma ba ye problem enti say mu betimi aboa no na in case e bia mo fa nurses na say mu betimi di ni din ahim amamia eno pene ma this ready a me de to wanim manka say me hia post to be manka say me pe abochire bi akọ eno pe ene ma this ready me de to ma me wanim e free ho me free Ghana eba ha me free wo a wo fa bi me send no message you don't even read me nim se me free wo Assembly wo adwen o se me be sre me wan so me sre skada me NDC ni bia di ko amatwefo na afre no ebisa ne sikada nobody me can come out and say chairman frame me na o se ohia boa ohia ska nobody not even my senior Kevin Taylor. I'm saying it again. Me see nobody, not even my senior Kevin Taylor. So Kevin Taylor achema dieda, which of course achema dieda. Eye onua kasana kumemu. Ena odi chair me mansre no. Me nya sesrefo. Enti ye frem mu na se mo mfa. E mama dwen nya mo say ye frem mu say ye hia bibi o. Fefe na efe. Se me no ntembe kama. Fefe na efe se na ye adwumaden. Enya ye nko social media for mainstream media for Ghana for the youth devoted themselves and their time. Eye adwumade boa NDC and esa youth no e dia ade na omonsa aka. What have they gotten? Nothing. I can't promise any NDC member say meboa me campaign and as me kasa dia boa NDC. I can't promise. NDC mean TV because of musubai. With musam what thing, with trim what thing, why you say chin say barre. When they credo at pantimu, no problem. Me and also boxer, credo kutokuro pa de dem. When the mountains na mutrimunya ding, na mo no matamfo. Now omo a do NDC monto yentwene. Or hine mabba mabani na anu ya be video ka say ye fremo kra mo fa biem. Nurudin Abbas mu nyina na ye ne moa na ekọ na eba o ene he hu ko kra ofa wadwe ne se me fro se me hia ka ana se me fro se me hia dan ana se me fro se me pe ministerial bibia na mo bodam say akan biem ne saka se kwase aba wait na Ghana ha ye campaign tia mo na se ne matimi sponsor ne se onko UK nko kire kwase asem dia ene mo kire Ghana for say the easiest way to win the love of NDC is to be against them, insult them, and campaign against them. When they get power, they will come and help you, the one who campaigned against, against them, yeah, whilst neglecting those who campaigned in favor of the NDC. Usubain, tried and tested. Who do I must it here? Who Usubain? We know how you people operate and do your things. Boys can say your friend mu amon fani ade. I say be a boys no hia bibi o. Of course, mo boa omo a enche omo. Now so fefe na efe say obi e campaign ma NDC ne isa ni pa betimi atwe phone. Afre wo hanabisiu. Afre NDC mu mpanimfo bi na magye ne so etise kakakra o. We de beti won ka che etise crack kakakra efe. Etise kakakra mpo no efe. Your new ambassador about Nairobi Hasi. Or your former Western Regional Minister, Mr. Addo. Oba ya me kwachiano. Then ya just say to me frame me at saying dear nekoso or jumano saying this kwani efe. Me nka sebi you uluman farming kwa buchi and answer what but send me a year so yeah na send me a year ni paka ne ho ben wo appreciating the fact that say who you be a we ye juma bo ni party say po kekekura efe. No one ani pape o. But mo die jimi, any etrimodin, neglect, etrimodin, ya na dem bia meka say Ghana ha ye ka omo a
say obesi 3-tier interchange amount. Obi ba yo no say on fata 3-tier interchange o. Enti ye fa nkoto aza paint. Ni ye fa me painti mamo na yanti interchange ni so mbre 2. Interchange isu nti na woto abediti a waban say yanya amount. What are you people doing? Diva nana answer me who are by you be who say young lady kakrobe wo baby and 35 small. Diva oje dianya oje nkokon ketenkete. Diva menim de cameo, menim de cameo, but na meni ase atetenis you. Because I'm looking at the potential of this woman and she has settled say baby obrane do no se yema na kokko ba ko so mfa nkofie nkoyenya opebre ya bias ewrate. Ghana, why? Why?
Okay, fellas, Petrol, let me, my name coming through, and Banda is here too, right? Hi, everyone. I have a question. Petrol, interchange, you know, who finished it? Because I don't know, the Mundi himself, I turn on Facebook, that minister, no. Mills and the baby Osikufor started in 208. Samunte ya. So who
Unity bunja dia moke kanu tie dia mekano mutie dia mekano hano. There is no interchange in Kumasi NDC finished, started or even continued.
It's going to be difficult to defend it, right? Because you see his follower question likes no. Just no drag Paul Adomo no in his response no. I know Pacho said these are the facts. So Diva, you've seen it, right?
Unity interchanges a wokuma se papa ni na no ye start say yes no na mo akohene that time na o JSS 2 si JSS 3 afi na okotro BEC it no say ye kan history of Asante and Kumasi a on kan nkoda anu ntum. Me just say I don't know what is wrong with Ghanaians. Say Papa Penny not you. Okay, Papa Penny mo wa ko KNUST. Tiao Diva. Wa ko KNUST. West nya de. We learned. Now what's na homa akoda we ya nansen ya no start ya she boxer shorts papa. E be ka kire wo say interchange ya wo ho ansa na ye ya wonim ho abakwasem no. NDC ni MPP nti be ka say NDC for na ye. Wa boda Baba, the Casa Assembly. Diva, Sebi dia Ghana econo when me say NDC should show us which of the interchanges in Ghana, especially in Ashanti regional, omone kate sword say ubimra meye. Omo beton ye Diva, they couldn't do it. Diva, let me tell you when the Sofo line interchange was actually coming to, let's say, pretty much away completion. 2021. 2021 NDC na newa bem. Sometime no krepo no na omumbi eni na ntumu ye te said na omahunu we. What are they talking about?
Yeah.
NDC that ben what where the who diva when you so fee here hu be ma hu oba hu papa hu boni a wugina we. That ben what say NDC for election e ka say ye papa ayina Rollins na di we ba ye mo hwe so nto aba ma yen. Yeah, Papa,
We will call all of you out. And Reverend Duncan Williams, Papa, sir, hello, sir, Archbishop, sir, please, if you want to call NDC out, chest out as a man that you are and call them out.